Good morning. I hope you're doing great. It's already 8:10. As evidence, I'm here. I'm waiting for the students to connect. I sent the invitations yesterday, Monday, and I will wait 4 minutes maybe. I will leave the video recording, and if nobody shows up, I'll show you the material I have prepared for this class and the way that we're supposed to do the activities, and that's it. Okay? So I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, it's 8:15. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what I supposed to have prepared for today, what we supposed to use. Our topic for today is study problems. Help is here, right? I will explain that every class have some rules, and we too. So we're going to maintain respect and courtesy. We're going to active participate. We're going to follow my instructions. We're going to use technology in the most responsible way. And we're going to try to communicate clearly and respectfully. I always tell my students, like if I talk too fast or if I say something they don't understand, they just need to let me know and I will repeat it with all the love of the life, right? Our learning objective is that we're going to develop our reading comprehension skills related with the topic with some activities. And then we have this open question. Are you going crazy with the amount of homework and exams you got? The idea here is socializing with the students, wait for their responses and their points of view, and just have a little chat, right? Then we have this activity that consists in 2 slides. The idea is put the right word in the right spot. This one will be here. This one will be distract. This one will be revise. Storage will be our 5th one. And siblings, right? And then we will be do this one with luck, and like that, right? Then will be, well, then will be process and improve. Efficient will be our last one. Peers. The idea of this activity is that they match the correct word with the sentence. They should read it aloud. I will give them some time to just organize them. And after that, we have our lecture. So the idea is that I usually read it aloud with the students. We take turns, we read the document, what it's talking about. At the end, I always ask them what they did understood, if they have any kind of questions about vocabulary and stuff. And we solve all their doubts. Then, after that, I show them the activity. This activity is put the correct sentence, depends who say it, right? And the idea of this activity is that they, okay, hold on. I usually send them a PDF, okay? That PDF have the text we just read, the article we just read, well, in this case, the conversation, after we read it aloud. Why? Because my goal is that they don't have like a fast comprehension, but the comprehension is effective and is good, okay? So we're working now until this week 4 about how good is their comprehension. So I want them to read it again, read it 2 times, compare their answers, check their answers. So I usually give them like between 15, 20 more minutes to do these kind of activities because I want them to be super sure about what they are responding. After that, we have this activity that is like true or false. The same, this is in the document I shared too. In the PDF I shared too. The idea is that they are super sure about what they are responding. And they can check again with the text, they confirm their answers. And well, the idea is like one by one, each student will read the sentence, say it is true or false, depends of the document and the text. And then if we have time, because usually we don't have time with reading comprehension classes, but if we have more time, we have this discussion question. Have you got any study problems or tips to share? And here we just gonna share what the students do, what I would recommend, what I do personally, and have like another little chat to close the class. And then I will share the attendance link. If we don't have time for the activities, I will send it at the end of the class, just going around 8:55, around 7:55. Sorry, I'm an hour before, after Colombian schedule. And then is my thanks slide, and that will be everything for today. This will be the class I had planned, but because nobody showed up, I couldn't do it. Either way, I have another session and at 8:30 Colombian hours, 9:30 here. And it's the same class, it's the same material, different students. I really hope they connect. And if you want to review how this class will be, I invite you to see the other video. And thank you so much. I hope this is enough for my evidence, and I hope my students connect for my next class and my next sessions. Thank you so much. That's it.